names are the names that refer to a general class of people, animals, places, or things. For example, table, lunch, boy, and house. Common names always begin with a lowercase letter. For example, dog referring to any dog, city referring to any city. Patronyms are the names that refer to a specific person, animal, place, or thing.